This is a Mitsubishi MVZ air handler, 36,000 BTUs with a steam humidifier attached. These units do not come wired with low voltage AC. In order to power the humidistat, you must have a transformer. We opted for a 120 to power the R and common to power the humidistat. On the board, we have a CN25 port, which is connected to a relay. This relay is connected to the humidistat port on the steam humidifier. The CNF port is connected to the HH terminals on the humidistat. The humidistat completes the circuit to the CNF. The board, CNF25, sends power to the coil in the relay. The relay closes and turns on the steam humidifier. Check out my blog, MrMitsubishis.com, for more information.